They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. Sins means bad actions, anything bad or any mistake which we commit. Okay, so actually first of all we will talk about human beings. Human beings sometimes do bad to others. Okay, they just hurt other feelings, they cheat others, they just blame others, and after doing wrong they will never be able to sleep peacefully. They will lie awake in dark. Okay, they will not be able to sleep at night. Okay, but animals do not do so. They just sleep peacefully because they never do wrong with others. Okay, they never hurt the feelings of others, they never cheat others. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Okay, the poet feels irritated when people irritate him when they discuss their duty towards God. Okay, see, one thing is there, that we are always confused that which religion we should follow, in which way we should worship God. Okay, we should go to temple or mosque or church. Okay, in which form we have to worship God. And there are some superstitions also, that we should not wash heads on Thursday, we should go to temple by having a bath. So I'm not saying these things are wrong or right, but the poet feels irritated of these things, and according to him animals are better because animals do not irritate him and they do not discuss any kind of duty towards God with him. Okay, not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the many of owning things. Okay, demented means to be mad, to be mad, and mania means madness, craziness. Owning things, owning means buying things. So according to narrator, the animals are satisfied with their life, they are not mad like us. Now why human beings are called mad? Because they are mad of having things in life. Their desires have no end. Okay, we have desires and desires in our life. If today I want to have a bike, then tomorrow I will have a desire to buy a car, and if I will buy a car, then I will want to have a better car. Okay, I will have a bigger one. If today I have home, but I still dream to have a better home, bigger home. Okay, so there are desires which will never finish. We want always more and more in our life. We are not satisfied with what God has given to us. But what about animals? They never do so. They are satisfied with their life and they do not have any kind of desire like us. Okay.